Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here's your quote for today. When looking back doesn't interest you anymore, you're doing something right. We all know that the past is in the past. The words are all in that statement. What's happened is long gone and just written in history. You need to now face forward because, of course, that's the way you're facing and moving all the time. Forward. The moment you start to stop looking back and it doesn't interest you anymore is a huge moment for you, as you can now finally start living in the present and begin to make your future right now.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.